Salt. It's in everything we eat, but did you know that not all salts are created equal? Some are packed with minerals, some support hydration, while others can even help with digestion and overall health. Today, we're diving deep into the world of salt. We'll explore a few common types, what makes each one unique, and how they can benefit your body. Let's start with the one most of us have in our kitchen: table salt. This is the common, highly refined salt you find in shakers everywhere. It usually comes with added iodine, which is really important for your thyroid health. If you don't eat a lot of seafood or dairy, iodized salt is a simple way to prevent iodine deficiency. But here's the thing, because table salt is so processed, most of its natural minerals are stripped away. It's perfectly fine to use, but it's a good idea to balance it with more natural salts when you can. Next up, sea salt. As the name suggests, this salt comes from evaporated seawater. It's less processed than table salt, which means it still contains trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium. These minerals are fantastic for supporting hydration, muscle function, and maintaining electrolyte balance. You might also notice that sea salt has a stronger, more complex flavor, so you can often get away with using less of it. One thing to be aware of is that, depending on its source, sea salt can sometimes contain microimpurities from the ocean, but overall it's a healthier, more natural option. Now, let's talk about the famous Himalayan pink salt. This beautiful salt comes from ancient sea deposits in the Himalayan region. Its distinct pink color is from its iron content, and it's said to contain over 80 different trace minerals. People love Himalayan salt because it helps with electrolyte balance, maintains proper fluid levels in the body, and gives you a tiny boost of minerals your body needs. You've probably seen it in salt lamps or as bath salts, which some people find relaxing. But for everyday use in your food, its real benefit is that rich mineral profile. Moving on to a more unique one, black salt, also known as Kala Namak. This salt is very popular in South Asian cuisine and Ayurvedic traditions. It's made by heating rock salt with special herbs and seeds, which gives it a very distinctive, slightly sulfuric smell and flavor. Black salt is well known for improving digestion, reducing bloating, and helping with acidity. Some people use it as a home remedy for stomach discomfort because its mineral composition supports gut health. It's also often used in low-sodium diets because it naturally contains less sodium than regular salt. Have you ever heard of Celtic sea salt? This salt is grayish in color and has a slightly moist, clumpy texture. It's harvested from tidal ponds off the coast of France. Celtic salt is incredibly rich in minerals, especially magnesium and zinc. It's particularly good for people who experience fatigue, dehydration, or muscle cramps because it excels at stabilizing electrolytes and supporting natural hydration in your body. Another great natural option is rock salt, sometimes called senda namak. This is an unrefined salt that's often used during periods of fasting in many cultures. It contains a healthy dose of potassium, magnesium, and calcium. It's believed to help balance pH levels in the body, support good digestion, and may even help reduce heartburn. Because it's unprocessed, it's generally gentler on the stomach compared to heavily refined table salt. What about smoked salt? This one is more about flavor than minerals. Smoked salt is typically sea salt that has been slowly smoked over a wood fire, infusing it with a wonderful, smoky aroma. While it doesn't have special mineral benefits beyond what the original sea salt had, it has a fantastic way to add delicious flavor to your meals without using artificial sauces or flavorings. This makes it a great tool if you're trying to cut back on processed foods. Finally, let's talk about Epsom salt. Here's the big difference. Epsom salt isn't for eating. It's actually magnesium sulfate. Its primary use is in baths. Soaking in a warm bath with Epsom salt can help relax your muscles, reduce stress, and soothe soreness. The magnesium gets absorbed through your skin and has a calming effect on your nervous system. It's the perfect treat after a long day or a tough workout, so what's the takeaway? Each type of salt offers its own unique set of benefits. You definitely don't need to stock all of them in your pantry, but incorporating one or two different natural salts into your routine can support better hydration, digestion, and mineral balance. Just remember, no matter which salt you choose, moderation is always key. Salt is essential for our bodies, but too much of it isn't healthy. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life.